Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what is hands down the best HDMI cable for 4K UHD in the market right now. The Anker HDMI cable 8K at 60Hz, 6FT Ultra HD. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just need the most reliable display output for your setup, this cable checks every single box. So let's dive into what makes this HDMI cable stand out. First off, Anker has built a reputation for creating high-performance, dependable accessories, and this cable is no exception. It supports resolutions up to 8K at 60Hz and 4K at 120Hz, making it a future-proof choice for next-gen gaming consoles and ultra-high-definition content. The data transfer rate is where this cable truly flexes its muscles. With a certified 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, you're getting lightning-fast transmission with zero lag or screen tearing. This is especially critical for gamers who need frame-perfect responsiveness and zero compromise on performance. Whether you're navigating HDR content, Dolby Vision, or just everyday 4K streaming, the signal remains rock-solid and beautifully detailed. Now let's talk build quality. The Anker 8K HDMI cable comes in a durable, 6-foot length, perfect for most home theater or gaming setups. The connectors are gold-plated for optimal signal strength and corrosion resistance. The cable itself is thick but flexible, which makes routing through tight spaces behind entertainment centers easier than you might expect. It's also stress-tested to withstand thousands of bends, meaning you're investing in a cable that's designed to last. Compatibility is a major plus here. This cable is backward compatible with HDMI 2.1, 2.0, and even older standards, which means it works perfectly whether you're plugging into a brand new OLED panel or an older 4K monitor. It's also fully compatible with popular streaming devices, Blu-ray players, AV receivers, and laptops with HDMI output. So no matter your setup, you're covered. To sum it up, the Anker 8K HDMI cable is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to max out their display quality with rock-solid reliability. For under-the-hood specs, future-proof performance, and excellent build quality, this one's a no-brainer. If you're upgrading your home entertainment system or gaming station, this should be your first stop. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more pro tech insights. See you in the next one.